In this video, I want to show you how to change Google Site language. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is open up a web browser and head to sites.google.com and sign into your account. From here, we need to navigate to the main menu, which is on the left-hand side. Now from here, click onto the gear icon, which is going to open up settings. Alright, so once this box has appeared, under language, it's going to say English. So go ahead and click on English, or if it is a different language, click onto that. Now it says preferred language, which is English in my case. Now we can go ahead and add other languages if we like. So go ahead and click on plus add another language. And now type that language you'd like to add it in, or you can go ahead and manually search for it like so. So now if I want to put in pirate language, I'm going to click on pirate and click save. We can add more if we like, but for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it like that. So now I've come back to sites.google.com. I'm going to refresh this, and now I'm going to head back over to the top left-hand corner and click in the settings. Now, if it still says English, don't worry, we can fix it. So go ahead and click on English again. And now where it says other languages, I've got Pirate or Pirate. I'm going to move that up. So now preferred language is that, and now that should work. So if we go back to Google Sites, I'm going to refresh this like so. Now if I go ahead and click on the three dots, click in the settings. Alright, so I'm going to hit refresh. Now I'm going to click on the three bars, and now you can see the language has changed. Now if I go back here, I've changed it again to this because it wasn't working. Now if I want to go back and revert to English, I can, or your language. And now it should automatically update. If it doesn't, just give it a few moments.